What's up guys, this is your Obra, and today I'm gonna show you my new USB webcam camera from my online seller, our trusted pamangkin John Leo Cordero. And this is his box guys, and today I'm gonna show you how I open this from my pamangkin. And if you are interested to buy, I will later tell you how it's gonna work out and performance this webcam camera. And I'm excited to open my new webcam because my old webcam is a little bit blurred today. And here it comes from the nice box. Included is the user manual. This is guys the user manual, and a nice sleek black color camera, webcam camera. It says it passed the quality control. The wire is a little bit long. I think this is 1.5 meter long of cord, power cord. And this is how it goes with built-in microphone. It says here it has a built-in microphone. Features 1080p auto exposure, auto white balance. Sounds pretty good. 6-layer glass coated lens. Wow! I cannot wait to see the performance. Video conference. It's the video clear and smooth. Beautiful piece of life. Built video conference cancelling microphone. Wow! Up and down 120 degrees adjustable. Yes, it's adjustable. Pretty good. I like it. This one, yes, seems nice. Resolution with 1920 to 1080. And support Windows 2001 and XP Windows, Mac and Android TV. Like it. It almost support everything. All gadgets. Product specification. It is compatible with USB guys. And automatic white balance, automatic color correction. It's like having your own pixels or beautify. Item color black. Yes, it's evident with this nice sleek color black. DSP chip, no driver. You can install it without any driver guys. Pretty nice. With the video format, MJPEG, image sensor, CMOS or CMOS, lens high quality 6-layer glass lens with maximum dynamic resolution and frame rate of 30 frames per seconds guys. I think I would like package list. It includes HD 1080 webcam, English user manual like this one, and a free driver installation. It's good. I'm ready to try it guys. Tara, samahan niyo ako. I will try it now. Okay, I'm ready to try it now. Let's try it now. I'm going to connect the USB. It's pretty easy. Yes, I'm good now. Okay guys, let's try it. Let's now try to use it in Messenger. In calling Messenger. Let's try it guys. We can see if it's working fine. Yeah. Calling. Are you not answering? Yes, here. Ayan. Nagulat si boss. It's okay. It's now working. Yeah. Yes. You can see it's working fine. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. And if you are not connected with your host, just click the notification bell, subscribe, and click the notification bell to keep you updated for more videos. Babu! Thank you so much. Thank you guys for watching, and if you are not connected with Obra Maestro, just click the like button, subscribe, and don't forget to push the bell, tiny bell, and to keep you updated for my coming videos. Thank you. See you all.